Well, hello again. So it's before 3 o'clock, but I probably won't get this published till after 3. But I thought I'd do a little review for tomorrow's test. Not every problem is on there that I could put, but every type of problem is. So go ahead and do these 5 for me and turn it back on. Okay, well, factor out GCF, we're told that. So GCF, let's see, what number goes into 6, 8, and 10? That'd be 2. And then x is in every term, so it's the lowest power, so it'd be x to the 6th. So it'd be 5x to the 4th to get this, plus 4x to the 4th. Wait a minute, I messed up. This would be 2. Sorry about that. I read that wrong. I was looking here, I'm sorry. And then this is 3. Then, difference of squares, we're told. So this would be x cubed plus 3, x cubed minus 3. Then this would be 4 minus x, 4 plus x. Woohoo! Then the cubes. Oh, first write it without the cube. So it's x squared plus 3. Then square the first term, opposite sign, product of the two, add the square. And this one, x minus 2. Then it's x squared plus 2x plus 4. Ooh-hoo. Okay. Now do, I guess if I tilt it, do the trinomials. Okay, good. So this is x minus 3, x minus 3. What are the factors of 9 that add up to 6? So it'd be x minus 3 squared. This one, what are the factors of 12 that subtract to give you 1? So it'd be x minus 4, x plus 3. Largest factor always goes with the middle sign. Then these two, the factors of 3 are 3, 1. 5 is 5, 1. We're adding, so 3, 5, 1, 1. Well, that's 16. 3 is part of the first term, so 3x, 1x. Last term's plus, so they're both same as the middle, plus, plus. I want the 5 with the 3, so the way you FOIL would be here. This one, 9 is 9, 1, 3, 3. 5 is 5, 1, but we're subtracting. So how about 5, 3, 3, 1? So this would be 3x, 3x. I'm going to put the 5 here, so the 1 would go here. Largest one goes with this sign, so this is plus, this is minus. 15x minus 3x. Woohoo! Now go ahead, do the 4-term polynomials. Well, okay, now notice 3, 1. We got that minus square at the end. These three look like they go together. X minus 2 squared minus y squared. So it'd be x minus 2 plus y. X minus 2 minus y. This one, 2, 2. So, okay, this is x to the 5th, x plus 1, plus 7, x plus 1. So it'd be x to the 5th plus 7. X plus 1. Then, the other part of the test is just going to say factor or factor completely. I plan to have one side with this written out and then the other side. And there's going to be many more of each, by the way. Lots of problems. So this one, factor completely. Factor out the GCF, it'd be x squared minus 1. That's the difference of squares, so x plus 1, x minus 1. Then this one, factor out the GCF. So that's 3. It'd be x squared plus 2x plus 1. Then can I factor this? Well, you bet I can. That would be x plus 1, or x plus 1 squared. This one, oh, it's a difference of squares. 16 is a square, that's even. So it'd be x squared plus 4. X squared minus 4. But this one, oh my goodness, we can factor that up. So x squared plus 4, x plus 2, x minus 2. I ran into this one, sorry. GCF is 2, so I'd have 2x cubed minus 8. Oh, that's a difference of cubes. So it'd be 2x minus 2, x squared plus 2x plus 4. Now, during the test, if you get stuck, move on to the next problem. Spend about a minute. You're like, ooh, I'll spend a minute. Oh, it's been 70 seconds. I'm moving on. Then come back to it. You don't want to spend 10 minutes on one problem and then run out of time. This one, oh, this is x fourth, this is x squared. There is no GCF other than 1. So I'll break it up. X squared, the factors of 25 that add up to 26 would be 25 and 1. And it is minus minus because last term's plus, both same as this one. And I can factor these up. Holy cheese in a bucket. X plus 5, x minus 5, x plus 1, x minus 1. Now, most books recommend have the first coefficient be positive, so I would factor out a negative 1. Woohoo! Then what are the factors of 7 that subtract to give you 6? That'd be x minus 7, x plus 1. Now, did I give you every problem that can appear? No, because I don't want to make a 150-hour video. But I've given you every type, factor completely, for a term, trinomials, cubes, difference of squares, GCF. Woohoo! So hopefully that woke you up a little bit. Had a little fun. Make a little snow angel. Anyways, have a good day. Bye.